Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to lock gallery in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and now you want to lock your gallery, so let's see how can you do this. Here's the gallery app and now I'm going to lock this. Just open your Play Store app and here just go for search and search for app lock pro. Just search for this and here just install this app. Just tap on install and it will be installed on your phone. You just have to wait for its installation, then we'll have a simple setup. After installation, just tap on open to open the app. Here you just have to create a pin. Just tap on 60 pin and you can just select the password type and the pattern, no code or 40 pin. I'm going to select the pattern, tap on open and here you just have to enter the pattern which you want and select create, enter your pattern again, select save and here just select understood, select permit to allow the permissions, enable app lock pro, then select permit again, select allow, then permit again and here just enable that toggle. After that you just have to make sure that your gallery lock is in lock section. If it doesn't, you just have to go to unlock section and here just select the app which you want to lock. Here just select gallery and after that you can see the gallery app is in lock section. Now go back and open your gallery app. Now whenever you want to open your gallery you just have to enter your pattern or password which you have and after that you can easily use your gallery. So let's try this again. Just open gallery, enter pattern and then you can easily enter that. So that's how you can easily lock your gallery in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.